What's up, you guys? It is Mariah. So welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, of course, welcome, and welcome back to another episode of Veda, which is vlogging every day of April. I'll be posting a new video every day for the month of April, and most of my videos will be Disney planning tips and tricks because I am a travel agent specializing in Disney destinations. So if you want me to help you plan and book your Disney trip, I will leave a link down below for you to fill out the details of your vacation, and I will get back to you. Serious inquiries only, please. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you, and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I do post a new video for April and just beyond. And for today's video, we'll be talking all about minivans. It will be kind of a minivan 101, so I'm not necessarily going to talk about like advantages and disadvantages and go into, you know, whether it's right for you, because that's dependent on, or varies person by person, and their preferences and what they want to do. But I'm just going to give basic information about the minivan service at Disney World. They literally have the design of Minnie Mouse, which is why they're called minivans. It's so cute, like the play on words. But you can use them all throughout Disney World, all around Disney World property, and you do not have to be staying at a Disney resort to utilize them. And how you utilize them is through the Lyft app. So it is through Lyft. If you've heard of it, it is similar to Uber. So it's a car transportation service that you can get from point A to point B around Disney World. And well, minivan specifically around Disney World, but Lyft you can use anywhere. And so to use the minivans, of course, you'll want to download the Lyft app so that it's convenient and you can just pull it out whenever you want to request a van to come pick you up and take you wherever on Disney property. So definitely install the app if you're wanting to use them. And then to use them, you just do it similar if you've ever used Lyft or Uber. It's very easy. All you have to do is select your desired destination. You type in your desired destination, you choose the location, and then it will prompt you to choose your car. And so then you'll just kind of swipe over to the left, and you'll go all the way to minivan and choose minivan. And then it will prompt you to choose your pickup point. So you will type in and choose your pickup point and hit go, and it will have whatever van is closest to you come and pick you up and take you to your desired location on Disney property. And the thing about minivans is they are driven by Disney cast members. So Disney cast members drive these vans, and they are actually trained to drive these vans. And that is really cool. It kind of provides you a bit of peace of mind knowing that a cast member is driving, and you know that they have been trained properly and all of that, so you're not getting like creepy people driving your minivan for lack of better words. And so that's really awesome. It's really primarily, minivans are for convenience and comfort and safety on Disney property. That's why a lot of people use them. And I will say that the minivans do hold up to 6 people. So up to 6 people, and up to, besides the driver, excluding the driver, and then up to two car seats. And the car seats are convertible, so they can fit all the way from a newborn up until they are almost 6 years old. Obviously, if you are under 6 years old, then if your child is under 6 years old, then you would need to be in a car seat because of laws and things like that. So that is really, really cool. The cost, it depends on, you know, your route, how long your route is from your starting pickup point to your location, desired location. But on average, they are around $25, and they are more expensive than just requesting a regular car through the Lyft app, because obviously getting a minivan is an upgrade. So you get a bigger car because it fits up to 6 people, and you know, normally when you ride Uber or Lyft, the more capacity of the car, then the higher the price is going to be. Like, those upgrades add to the cost. And so bigger van or bigger car, and you know, the option to have up to 2 car seats. That's an upgrade. And then it is driven by a cast member, so you have to consider that when you consider the price. A lot of people use minivans at Disney World in order to, if they're rope dropping a park, so they don't have to worry about the bus system. The bus system is great, but of course it is, I'm trying to think of the word right now and it's escaping me, but you just don't know for sure if the bus is going to, you know, pick you up at a certain time and all of that. So with the minivan, you know exactly when it's coming to pick you up. You can see on your phone where they are, that type of thing. It doesn't take them long to come and pick you up because there's a lot in the area, that kind of thing. And so yeah, most people use it to rope drop a park, so they'll drop you off in front of the park, or they'll use it if they have a dining reservation, typically early in the morning, in order to, because the buses start running at a certain time. So if people have an early dining reservation, they will use the minivan service to transport them to wherever their dining reservation is in order to get there on time and, you know, get there faster, that sort of thing. Or people will just use it simply for the convenience, or if they have a long distance to go to get to somewhere. I used it for the first time when I ran the Walt Disney World Half Marathon in 2018, and we used it from our resort to a park, and then we used it from the park to ESPN Wide World of Sports, because that's where the expo was, and there aren't buses that go from the park to Wide World of Sports. So that's another reason why people will use it, because the buses only take you from resort to park, or park to resort, so they don't go park to park, and yeah, or park to water park. They will go to from resort to water park, but anyway, saying that the buses are kind of limited in how they can take you places, so a lot of people use the minivan to substitute. And I think that are the basics. If you have any questions about minivans, just leave them in the comments below and I will try to my best to answer them. And I think that is going to be it for today's video. If you would like, please follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle down below in the description box. And be sure to subscribe because I am doing beta, which is so exciting. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. And as always, I hope you all have a magical day.